What's up, guys? It's Henry. I know it's been a while. I haven't done the videos of unboxing and all that stuff because I'm just still waiting for like one or two of my package. Also that I took the time off. You know what I mean? So I needed the time off of it as well. So I've just been playing like video games, like classic video games of Pokemon, and just like watching TV as well. So yeah. Now I'm going to be opening up is the package came in today, which is I'm really happy. It's this as well, so it's quite a big box actually. So it's really a big box here. So basically that this box it came from the KupoCon store. So that was from the Pomline II event as well. So it was only that one day only for that one. So but yeah, I'm going to start opening this now, guys. So if you guys are wondering what I purchased like basically more. I'm trying to think. I bought like a set of TriPom cards that I wanted, so I can see what TriPom cards I end up getting as well. So it's like a random like booster pack. I went for the set, and then also that I bought Final Fantasy VII, one of those materials, like one of the ball materials. So I ordered that as well. It's like a random ball material, so I'm not sure what colour I end up getting. So I'm really excited. Really excited to see what I end up getting, because it doesn't really bother me which colour I want. I mean, but as long as it's really good, you know what I mean, so I can have it. But yeah, I'm really excited to open this for you guys to just show you it. But, oh my goodness, this sellotape is pure solid as heck, you know what I mean? So sorry guys, it's because of the sellotape is pure heavy, secure, solid, you know what I mean? So I didn't expect that, okay. But yeah, if you're wondering where you can purchase and all this stuff, I mean, you can go at KupoCon website. If you're a patron, only if you sign up for a patron, you'll get those stuff as well. But see, for the non-patrons, you probably need to wait for another KupoCon Pomline event. Once they announce it, if they do another one, then they will make their store official for the public as well. So for the non-patrons as well. So. Yeah, Pomline 2 was really cool. It was really cool to watch. It was a lot of fun watching it, and great guest as well along the way. So it was a great guest. So I had a good time watching it. So let's open this. So, oh, nice. So all you got here is there. So let's get to it. Let's see what we get. Oh, nice. We got the Pomline bag. So that would really help for me. For carrying stuff, you know what I mean? So let's see. Okay, I did order some like materia or something that it'll probably be inside actually, I think. So yeah, let's get this out of the way. So let's look at the Pomline bag. So let's see. The Pomline bag looks quite good actually. It looks fantastic. This might come in handy for like these kind of bags. So I'll probably need them anyway. So because like buying supplies and stuff, I mean, carrying stuff. So okay, so that's the box out of the way. This is the TriPom set, so I'm really excited. So I'm glad that I've decided to buy this instead of like separately booster packs and stuff. So I think this is a lot better. I mean, I think this cost $99, I think it is. So but if it was in pounds, I'm not entirely sure. I mean, I totally forgot. So let's open this because I'm really excited to see. I want to find out what I get. Oh, nice. I got this more TriPom cards. Okay, that's really cool. I think they were missing something. Oh yeah, I think I might have missed one of the blind materials actually. It's not in the box. What the heck? I'll probably need to message them actually. So yeah, I've got like 10 of them. Oh, there's a Market Moogle. So yeah, I got that. So I'm happy with that. So that's the second one I've got. So I wouldn't mind just trading it. I mean, so this is my extra one. So yeah, I've got like I'm going to count and see how many there is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So yeah, I've got 10 of those now. So I'm going to start opening them. So let's get to it, because I have no idea what I end up getting. So that's the first one out of the way. So let's face this way, because I think this way is really nice, the colour of it. So let's see. So we've got one of the Moogle. Oh, we've got this one I don't have. There's quite a few I don't have as well. You know, I think I've got this one. I don't think I have this one. I think this one's really hard to find actually. Marnie, I think. This one. Oh, I've got Ace, man. I can't believe it. I mean, so got that. Oh, the blue Chocobo. No, I don't think I have this one. We got this one here and this one as well. So yeah, that's okay. Not bad. I'll take it. Second pack wise. Okay, so we got that. Oh, Reno, yes. Nice. Some of the ones I don't think I have, they looks fantastic, man. I mean, so I think collecting those is so much fun actually, because like when I saw the design of those cards, the TriPom ones, I think they're really cool. I think the big box is well worth it in separate packs. I mean, so yeah, that's those. So that's no bad. So pack number 3. So I can see some of the ones that I don't have, so which is really cool. So yeah. Well, Kate Sif, I don't think I have this one actually. I'm going to end up having doubles after this, I mean, which is good because that means I could do trades and stuff. So, but I'll need to find out which ones I have to keep and which ones I don't really need as well. So, but yeah, I'll probably try and message to like the KupoCon. Was it the group page? You can go to the KupoCon group page as well, guys. So that they do have it, and their official Facebook page as well. So you can check them out. I'll probably need to message them because of like the materia. You know what I mean? So I missed out, I think, because I did order a materia. So, but unless it was a mistake, so that they put all the stuff in and they forgot it. So I'll try and message them as well. So yeah, let's see what we got. Don't think I have this one. This one's really cool. There's some of the cards that I don't have now already. I mean, which is going to be good for collecting them now finally. So I'm happy with it, to be honest. So and the more trades I get, the more like have fun. Oh, nice! I've got lightning. This is I've already got this one, but this one is an unshiny version of it. So I got the other one was the hollow version of it. So that was like that was like insane. I mean, so I'm really happy I got this one though. So like the non-hollow version, so I'll take it. So we've got Sephiroth as well. So and then we've got Ace as well. So that's pretty cool. I'll take that. We got, let's see how many packs we got. 2, 4, 6. We've got 6 to go. Oh my gosh! But ordering this big box, worth it. I mean, so the reason I couldn't get the box is because of the money, the budget wise, I couldn't spend on. So I got that. This one as well. I'm trying my best to show you guys with these cards. I mean, so. But oh, I got doubles already on this one. That's my second one. So. That's pretty cool. And that's me got the second one already now. I mean, so some of the cards are really cool. Oh, what's that one? Auric, cool. Crystal Wave. That's cool. It's pretty cool. I like that one. But yeah, the KupoCon Pomline was really cool. I got to watch it. It was on Facebook Live as well. So that's the only way to watch it as well. So also that they got the official page as well, and also the KupoCon store as well. Only if you sign up for Patreon, you'll get the like obviously TriPom cards and all the other cool stuff as well. So if you can follow their details as well. So we got Cloud as well, which I don't have. I think I'm quite happy with some of the cards that I don't have because that's going to go in my collections. Oh man! But seeing these cards, man, I mean, I think it's gonna take me a while to organize it and sort them out. So, but. Yeah, I'm quite happy with it. I mean, I'm happy with these combinations of the mixed off the TriPom cards, like 10 of them. I mean, in one box set. So yeah, I'm quite happy with it. So I hope I'll get my blind materia. I mean that I purchased. I mean, so hopefully, because I'm sure they forgot about it to add this in as well. So if we got nice Cornbuckle. I don't think this is the one I don't have, so that's good for that, for my collection. I've got a lot of Shivas already, I think. I mean, I'll need to see if I've got Shiva already or not, so I'm not entirely sure. that, and then VV as well, which is really cool. We've got 3 more to go, so because I think any one of those random like these booster packs of them, the TriPom booster packs, you can get a holo, just if you're lucky, you know what I mean? So anything can happen if you can get a holo, so it just depends. So just to inform you that. So got Noctis as well. Chocobo, that's the one I don't have, because there's so many different Chocobo versions of the colours, so I always confused like which Chocobo that I do have and don't have. So and now I know, so at least I don't have this one, that's because I've got the other version of it, so that as well. Don't think I've seen this one. This one's really cool. And then we've got that one as well. So yeah, I'm happy with all these TriPom cards because I love collecting them. Like no question about it. I mean, it's just the fact that it was worth it that I had to purchase these kind of box set instead of separate booster packs. Because separate booster packs was alright, but it's just I feel like if you need more TriPom cards, if you're heavy into it, then it's better to buy a box. I mean, so it was worth it. I mean, I don't know how much it is, but you probably need to check it out. I mean, so next time, I don't know when the next TriPom, well, the next Pomline event will happen. So it take place if you follow their official their Facebook page and group, Facebook group, and the official website. They will give you the dates and stuff, and then when's the next one as well. So just keep an eye on it. It's better if you just follow it, I mean, so because that's the only way. So we've got the blue Chocobo. It's the only way to find out as well. Oh, I've never seen this one. That's a non-holo version of it, so none of that. Just really cool artwork actually. I like that with that cloud. I mean, it looks badass. Looks pretty cool. And then we got that as well. So yeah, that's not bad actually. Cheesy. Oh man. But yeah, I'm gonna have to sort out once after I've done all this, I'm gonna have to sort out the trades and all this stuff and merch. So but yeah, I'm gonna have to, this is the last one guys, sorry. This is the last pack, so I don't know what I'll end up getting, so. Oh, another one already? What the heck? What? Oh, this is an unholo again, but I'm fine with it. I wish I had this one in holo right now, because it would have been nice to see what I end up getting. I mean, so to see what the differences. Oh man, but there's most of the cards I don't have. I'm really happy with it actually. I'm really happy, because the chances, like, I do love collecting the cards. I mean, it's fantastic. So yeah, that's the last one now. That's the last of the pack, guys. Overall, I actually quite like it actually. So if you wondered what the box looked like, that's what it looks like here. So it's worth. I say you get 10 packs of it. So it's definitely worth it. And also that, I got like the market in Moogle, so which is pretty cool. I'll probably like do a trade and stuff. So because it looks, I've already got another one anyway. So at least I could trade an extra. So I'm pretty cool with that. Also, I got this free bag of it was KupoCon Pomline II. So thanks to the people at the event of this. I mean, so thank you for that. So, but yeah, that's all it is, guys. So sorry I couldn't show you like the blind materia, like was it the materia ball of it. So hopefully I'll try and send a message to KupoCon event, because I did purchase it. So unless they made a mistake and all that stuff. So like the you know, gather stuff and all that. But yeah, I'm gonna have to go, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope I'll see you guys next time. Hopefully I'll do more different other opening stuff, so you know, like for fun stuff, if we show you guys. So anyways, I'll see you guys next time. See yous.